Hey there, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to my kitchen for the first time ever. Hey there, what's up? How's it going? How you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my kitchen for the first time ever. We are going to try something a little different today. I'm still not quite sure what this channel is, but I've decided that it's going to be whatever I want to do. And today, we're going to make a sandwich. You want a sandwich? I am by no means a chef or a sandwich expert. I am doing this for fun, because I enjoy making sandwiches, and because I am hungry, and I don't know what else to do, so, that's what we're gonna do. We are still in the middle of a pandemic. In fact, I am in Arizona, so, it has pretty much just started, and, I'm at home, and the restaurants are still closed. You can get takeout, but, you know, you don't want to eat out all the time. It's a lot of money. So what we're going to do is make a gourmet sandwich from home. And, yeah, let's get started, I guess. The ingredients you'll need are some chicken, a tomato, some pesto, an apple, some mustard, some bread, and some mozzarella. Alright, so our first step will be to slice our bread. Please don't hold it in your hand like I did, it does not end well. Alright, and this part is optional. I like to put it in the toaster oven. While that's toasting, we'll get started on the other parts. Thank you, Mango, for the sunflower seed. Now for the tomato, just need one slice of it. One per sandwich. And then for the apples, do about 3 maybe. I realize I did way more than 3, but that is fine. I just don't know how to count. But you can really do however many you want anyway. Next we have the cheese. If you have sliced cheese, that would work as well. I prefer shredded cheese. You could also use vegan cheese or no cheese. The sandwich actually does taste fine without cheese. Then we have the chicken. I usually do about 3 slices per sandwich. Since I'm doing a really tiny one today, it might be 2. But normally 2 to 3, or you can add more if you'd like. Our bread is done toasting. It is time to assemble this bad boy. My bread got a little toasty. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention. Don't be like Caden. Alright, first step, we're going to take the bottom bread, put on a little bit of pesto. Don't go too heavy, it does kind of have a strong taste sometimes, so just a light layer on the bottom. There you go. Next we'll do the apples. Honestly, probably 2 would be fine on a sandwich this small. Normally I do about 3. This one's for me. Alright, and then the chicken goes next. I just fold the end so that it fits a little bit better. You don't have to do that. This chicken would not come apart. Alright, and then finally we'll throw the tomato on top. Add our cheese, a nice sprinkle, spread it out a little bit. And then finally, I like to put it in the toaster oven again on broil, just for a few seconds. You don't have to do this part, but it helps melt the cheese. Apple, mango. Mango. Oh, I already got it. It's already got a big enough piece. And our last step is going to be to add the mustard. Ignore the fact that mine is almost empty and therefore does not look very pretty. And just like that, we've got a nice fancy sandwich in less than 6 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, go ahead and hit the little thumb down at the bottom and subscribe if you want to see more. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.